So today we are screen capturing an application to demonstrate that we can create SPSS data visualizations and integrate them into an APA style results section. So for this, we are going to be knowing the difference between independent and dependent. And we also need to know the difference between nominal and ordinal. And then we are using our drug.save data and our fake name data, which I have saved as Zang. And then we are going to choose whether we need a simple bar graph or a clustered bar graph. Include our error bars at 95%. And we are supposed to do it in docx with alt text and format according to APA. So I have this site pulled up right here, which was linked. I looked up sample bar graph in the little search bar here. So here it shows that figure one is going to be bolded. Right under that, we are giving a short little brief description about what our graph talks about, and it is going to be italicized. And then right here, note with a period, is also going to be italicized. And then you're going to give an even more in-depth description about what your bar graph is over. So I'm done with that, and I can pull up my drug data. So from here, I'm going to go to Graphs Chart Builder. I have another video on this already. Simple bar graph. I'm going to take ecstasy and alcohol to the x-axis. And then BDIS, because it's Sunday, is going to be used first. I'm going to delete my title. Turn on my error bars, delete my footnote. Click OK. It's going to open up this little graph section, show me my graph. And then I need to now create a graph for the Wednesday. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then since it's already pulled up, I'm just going to drag Sunday out and replace it with Wednesday. Make sure my error bars are there, no footnote, no title. Okay again. And then our second graph appears here as well. Alrighty, and then I am done with my drug data. And then now I'm going into my Zang or fake name data. And then as you can see here, my labels are marked all correct because we had to change this from -1 to 2 because SPSS doesn't like that. Like they don't like a lot of things. Chart builder again. Clustered bar chart this time. Score is gonna go on our Y. Name is gonna go on our X. P-sex to show the different sexes, which is just male and female. And then, oh, because my mean score didn't go in. Oh wait, did it? Oh, okay, cancel. Sorry. Anyways, so delete title, delete footnote, turn on my error bars, make sure those stay deleted. Whoops. Delete my footnote. Oh wait, I meant to do this. Sorry, not filter. What the heck was I thinking? Anyways. And then here, last but not least, is my final graph. Done with this data set. Yes. Oh, whoa. Hold on. Let me just minimize it then. Okay. Here is my portfolio. In order to do APA style, you need to have your header with your name to the left, page number to the right. You're going to highlight results and, not highlight, bold. You're going to give an information about what this following information is going to talk about. And then conclusions is going to be the graph stated, and it also needs to be bolded. And then as I showed before, figure 1, and then a short little definition, and then my picture is here. I am a Mac user, so what I did to copy and paste was I went into my output, I clicked on it, and I made sure that it was highlighted. And then for me personally, I used Control-C because that's my copy paste button, because I can't right click in the output section of this. So that's what I did for all of these was Control C, and then to paste it, I did Control V. And then as you see, I stated that the error bars were at 95% interval. I talked a little bit more in depth about what the graph was about instead of just giving that short description. And then I did the same thing for figure 2. I just changed the name from Wednesday, kind of changed up my wording a bit because you don't want to be repetitive. And then for these, I didn't indent all the way down. I did a page break because it looked kind of funky with figure 1 being up here and then the graph being on the next page, and I didn't think that that would be correct. And then same thing for the graph 3, small little description, and then in here I went into more depth because we have it's a clustered because we have 3 different results that we're showing, and then this is the score, and then we're identifying, this is the legend, we're identifying the 2 sexes. Anyways, and then for my alt text, I press Control, I hold it down, and then I click, and then I view my alt text, and then my alt text is literally just copied and pasted from my further description of what my graph was talking about. And then I did that for all of these, and that's how you can pull it up on a Mac. Control click, same thing here, and then last but not least, the same thing on this one as well. Whoops. See, there we are with our alt text, and then ours is supposed to be saved as a docx file, as you see here. So as a Mac user, I went here, file, save as, and then I have it into my SPSS folder just because like that's what I'm calling my stats class, and then it saves here as a docx. You can save it as whichever you prefer, and then I named it Portfolio 0 because why would I not? Anyways, it's already saved, so I don't need to save it again. That is how you enter in your data for graphs in APA format.